Hello, friends. How are you all? I hope you all are good at home and enjoying your life to the fullest. So, today I have an amazing topic and I am gonna tell you about the amazing eyes. So, you're gonna find some interesting eyes, and their facts are just amazing, and you will love it for sure. And you may be surprised with some of the eyes. So, be with me to the end of the video and you gonna enjoy this video a lot. I am sure about it. So in my list, the first is the dragonflies. You may have seen the dragonflies. So what is interesting about these dragonflies? So you may have seen the dragonflies have two large compound eyes, each with more than 28,000 lenses per compound eye. Okay, you're getting पर कंपाउंड मीन्स एक आंख के अंदर 28,000 से ज़्यादा लेंसेज हैं, जो कि किसी भी लिविंग क्रिएचर से ज़्यादा है। मतलब जितने भी लिविंग क्रिएचर हैं उनमें सबसे ज़्यादा है, राइट? यस, ड्रैगन फ्लाइज हैव नियरली 360 डिग्री विजन but just one blind spot directly behind them, and nearly 80% of the insect's brain is dedicated to its side. You are getting? उनके ब्रेन का 80% वो सिर्फ देखने के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, है ना? ये एक अमेजिंग बात। अनदर थिंग, ड्रैगन फ्लाइज सी फास्टर देन ह्यूमंस। दे सी अराउंड 200 images per second. If you compare it with human visual system, so humans can process only 10 to 12 images per second, but in dragonflies they can see around 200 images per second. So isn't it interesting? Yes, of course, right? So here I am with the next in the list, geckos. So these nocturnal geckos have supervision in dim light. Their eyes are 350 times more sensitive to color at night than a human's. Most species of geckos don't have eyelids. You may know about the eyelids, right? So eyelids, you blink them daily, but geckos don't have the eyelids. They lick their eyes to clean them. So they are using their tongue to lick them. So actually they are licking the transparent membrane that covers the eyeball. What is interesting about them कि वो आई 350 टाइम्स मोर सेंसिटिव है, किसके लिए? कलर्स के लिए, ह्यूमन के मुकाबले। ओके, नेक्स्ट, giant squid. They have the largest eyes in the animal kingdom. In the whole animal kingdom, they have the largest eyes, measuring about 25 centimeter, or around you can say 10 inches in diameter. So if you compare it, it is like the size of a football or your dinner plate, or as big as your head. Can you imagine that? This big eye, right? Coming to the next, the Arctic reindeer. This mammal is so interesting that his eyes change color with the season. His eyes shine different color depending on the season, from gold in the summer to blue in the winter. In summer, when the sun is bright, the eyes are dazzling golden. But as the sun prepares to set for the winter, the eyes become less reflective until it turns dark blue in the dark winter months. So it's changing its eye color. Isn't it interesting, right? Next, chameleon. Chameleon you may have seen. So if you observe them, their eyes can see 360 degree. So what makes them to see that 360? You will see that they can move their eye continuously. And what is the strangest thing? That two eyes move independently of each other. Means if one eye is seeing in forward direction, other may be seeing in backward direction. So They can switch between monocular vision when the both the eyes are used separately, and they can even have binocular vision when both eyes are used to look at the same scene. Like the humans, we use both eyes to see a common scene, right? Another thing, chameleon don't blink because they have one cone shaped eyelid that fuses to their eyeball and covers the entire eyeball, only leaving a tiny opening slit exposing the pupil. And you will find it moving around in circular way, as you can see here also, right? So they have some of the interesting eyes, right? So I am having one question for you. Do you know which animal is having eyes bigger than their brain? I am talking about an animal, land animal. Okay, land animal who is having eyes bigger than their brain. Write in the comment box. I am waiting for your answer, right? And I am happy to see you here with me. I hope you are enjoying your life. Thanks all and have a great day.